If your morning coffee tastes inconsistent, no matter how carefully you measure your beans, there's a good chance the problem isn't your coffee. It's your pour. Most people underestimate how much control over water flow actually affects flavor. And that's exactly where this kettle comes in. Today, we're taking a close look at the DmofwHi 1000W Gooseneck Electric Kettle, a compact, stainless steel pour-over kettle designed for coffee lovers who want better control without spending a fortune. It's clearly aimed at beginners and intermediate home brewers who are tired of guesswork and want a more consistent cup, whether it's coffee, tea, or even quick instant drinks. Right out of the box, this kettle feels surprisingly premium for its price. The copper finish gives it a clean, slightly upscale look that stands out on a kitchen counter without being flashy. The body is made from food-grade 304 stainless steel, and importantly, that includes the interior, so you're not dealing with any plastic where water sits. That matters more than most people think, especially if you're using it every day. The handle has a cool touch design, and it's shaped in a way that feels natural in your hand, giving you a steady grip even when the kettle is full. But the real star here is the gooseneck spout. If you've never used one before, the difference is immediate. Instead of dumping water all at once like a regular kettle, this lets you control the flow with precision. That means slower, more even saturation when brewing pour-over coffee, which directly translates to better extraction and more balanced flavor. It's not just a nice to have, it genuinely changes the result in your cup. In terms of performance, the 1000 watts heating element does a solid job. It boils a full liter of water in about 5 minutes, which isn't the fastest on the market, but it's quick enough for daily use without feeling sluggish. More importantly, it's consistent. You're not waiting around wondering if it's almost done. It just gets there reliably every time. The 1.0 liter capacity also hits a sweet spot. It's enough for a couple of cups without taking up too much space, which makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or even office setups. Using it day to day is straightforward. There's no complicated interface or unnecessary features. Just fill it, switch it on, and you're good to go. The automatic shutoff is a small but important detail, especially if you tend to multitask in the morning. It also has boil-dry protection, so if you accidentally turn it on without water, it won't damage the unit. These are the kinds of features you don't think about until you need them, and then you're glad they're there. Noise-wise, it's relatively quiet compared to larger kettles. It won't disrupt your morning routine or drown out conversation, which is a nice touch if you're using it early in the day. Cleaning is also simple thanks to the stainless steel interior. There's no weird coating or hard-to-reach corners, so a quick rinse and occasional descaling is all it really needs to stay in good shape. That said, it's not perfect. The biggest limitation is the lack of temperature control. If you're someone who likes dialing in exact temperatures for different types of coffee or tea, this might feel a bit basic. Also, while the 1.0 liter size is great for most people, it might feel small if you're regularly making drinks for a larger group. Compared to other kettles in the same price range, this one stands out mainly for its build quality and pour control. Some cheaper options cut corners with plastic interiors or poorly designed spouts, which can affect both durability and performance. On the other hand, higher-end kettles offer features like variable temperature control and hold functions, but they also cost significantly more. This kettle sits comfortably in that middle ground where you're getting real performance benefits without overpaying for features you might not need. So, who is this actually for? If you're just getting into pour-over coffee, or you want a reliable, well-built kettle that improves your brewing without complicating things, this is a strong option. If you're a hardcore enthusiast chasing perfect temperature precision, you might want to look at more advanced models. But for most people, this hits a really practical balance. If you want more consistent coffee, better control, and a kettle that feels like it'll last, this one is definitely worth checking out. I've left a link in the description so you can see the current price and availability. And if this review helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.